Hey guys, I'm Janelle, known as Nail Gun Nelly on all my socials, and I am here to show you how we transformed this bathroom into this beautiful, luxurious black tile shower. I'm gonna show you how I am tiling with these Luna tiles this entire shower. So let's get down to it. Okay, so we are using these black Luna tiles from Tile Club, and the way we're gonna start is I took one of these tiles and I basically, I have my shower pan covered already, but I basically set it down across my entire shower pan and I made a little mark on my wall. And then at the lowest mark, I put a level line, and this is just a scrap 1x2 that I had, and I brad nailed it into place. So the reason I did that was because I know that this is a level line, and I'm gonna start my first row of tiles here, and I'm gonna draw some vertical lines to ensure that they are level vertically as well. And then as I keep stacking tiles, it can create some sag, and I know that this will not sag. If I started my tile down here, it would probably sag it down. So this is just a good way to ensure that you're gonna have a very stable foundation for the rest of your tiles to go on. So once all of these are cured, I will remove this board, and then I will fill in the tiles down below, which at the shortest one, it's a full length tile. And then the rest I'll have to just cut little slivers to be able to fit them in place, and it'll look very level and clean, straight line. So we're gonna start on the back wall, because that way on your two edges, you can get, if you have little tiny variations and gaps, your side walls, so the tile coming in from this side is going to cover up that grout line is going to be seen on this side, not on this side. So it's just a cleaner look. So first tile your shower pan, then your back wall, then your two side walls. So we're going to start on this. I am using this ready to use simple set mortar. It is in, I think, gray. And I'm going to be doing a dark grout along with the dark tiles. So this is going to work perfectly. Of my tile size, basically it has like a little chart on these, and you take the longest side of your tile. Mine's 8 inches. So for this particular mortar, anywhere from 6 to, I believe, 12-inch long tiles, you want a 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4 inch trowel, square notch. So some require 1/4 by 3/8, some need V-notch. This is a square notch trowel. So what we're gonna basically be doing, probably only gonna spread enough for 2 rows at a time, because you want to be able to make sure you can get them up in quick enough time before the mortar dries out. I am also using 1 16th inch spacers. I wanted a really small grout line. And I already took my tiles and I kind of laid them out, spaced them to see if I'm gonna have a really tiny cut or where my edges line up, basically. So everybody does this differently. Some people will lay the tile in the middle and want even cut on either side. In this case, I spaced mine out, and I'm only going to have like a little bit missing from one tile. So I got really lucky. So I don't think it's going to be that noticeable. I chose to have a full tile on this side because it's the door's vision is right there. And then I'm going to just have my one cut tile on that side because I believe it's going to be like that big. So it's really not that big of a cut. So I don't think it'll be that noticeable. It's purely whatever you think looks best. So we're gonna get started and get this tile up. Okay, so to start, I'm just going to get your mortar and spread it.
Do you want me to butter while you are?
You think we need a butter?
No, I mean, do you want me to get the?
Okay, today we are grouting, and I went with charcoal because I wanted to keep it dark. Basically, with grouting, you want to just use a float and push it in all of the different crevices, obviously, at different angles. And then I work in small sections, and then you'll, use a sponge to clean it off. But well, it's really not that difficult. I need to get it off because it is mud. We decided to go with a charcoal grout, which I think is like the perfect color. You can see, I mean, there's still grout haze on here, but it's a perfect blend for this tile. I'm going to show you how we turned this bathtub shower into this beautiful black Luna tile shower with a pebble rock floor. We created a whole entire new shower pan and new fixtures with a wood plank ceiling up above. We installed can lights, new ceiling treatment, all new fixtures in a brushed gold, and these beautiful black Luna tiles from Tile Club. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and be sure to subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments below, and you can check out all of the sources for everything we used for this bathroom renovation in the description below.